remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create. For the hummus, you're going to need some chickpeas, garbanzo, beans, whatever you want to call it. If you use the canned version, you don't need to cook them. But if you use the dry version, you're going to have to cook them until they're soft. Lemon for lemon juice. Extra virgin olive oil. You're going to use a few drops. 1 or 2 teeth of garlic. Little bit of salt for taste. Ground cumin to give it that taste. And you might want to have some paprika handy. You might have 1 or 2 optional ingredients, but this is the main ones. Make sure the seeds of the lemon are not there, so I have to squeeze them elsewhere to make sure that. And what I'm going to do now, going to add chickpeas, a little bit of salt, just a little bit, couple drops of extra virgin olive oil, just a couple drops. Going to mince 2 of garlic. Just make sure it's minced. So using this to mince it. And going to add a little bit of ground cumin. Just a little bit. It's not a lot, just a little bit. Over. Time to mix things up. This is going to take about a minute or 2. Very nice. Hummus. Transfer to a little container. You can use a little spoon to kind of shape it. If you want to put some paprika, just put a tiny bit, like to look pretty.